Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been on camera, so I might be a little bit rusty. Sorry about that. We got an ice cold monster to get that energy in. Voice is a bit raspy as well because I've been sick for the last 2 weeks. But we are here now at Fairburn College for Rollerz Volume 2. We'll put the card up above for Rollerz Volume 1 that I attended a while back. We not with the Reaper today, unfortunately. We are with the grocery getter, the Hyundai. And yeah, so quite a few nice cars out here. I do know that JG Mayron also has an event on today. The same day, I think there's still 4 and this one's still 5, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna try and make it and jump between the two and just see what's going on there. I did see, they're pretty close to me, so I drove past and I did see quite a few things happening there. And yeah, we're about to go in, grab our ticket, go in, just take a look around, come back and get the gear, and then go and shoot some nice cinematics of all the cars that are attending today. Yeah, I can't wait to see what's inside. Volume 1 was really cool. A lot of things that I haven't seen before, so yeah, let's hope that this is going to be a surprise as well. I can't wait to try this new monster. It's the Ultra Strawberry Dreams, so we're going to see what that's all about. Look at this this Jetta behind us. You can see the intercooler there at the bottom sticking out the bumper. That's really cool. So probably a little snail that's been installed. But yeah, let's forget about the gear for now. Let's just go take a quick walk around, get our wristband, and then come and grab the camera and get some of that nice crisp cinematics. But yeah, let's make sure that this is locked, because I'm not sure if I locked. All locked up and secure. Let's go secure that wristband. And oh, nice prelude, bro. Shot. I think that's a 93 prelude. Those things are so nice. And yeah, check this nice mags on that as well, and those there at the back. But yeah, let's go and check what's happening inside and then come grab the camera. So I'll see you there. Okay, so I was just got out at the gate saying, why am I not part of the media team? So I guess we'll have to be so I guess we'll have to be part of the media team next year. And we were also then discussing the monster, and people were saying it tastes like nothing. This is my second one, and I will confirm it does taste like sugar water. It doesn't taste like anything much, so it's got no flavor. America's getting all the lack of flavors, man. Voodoo grape and all those. So yeah, I guess it tastes like nothing, but hey, better than nothing. Some caffeine for the day. I must say the setup is a lot better. If you take a look around, the setup is a lot better. A lot more cars rolled up this time. Got all your food stalls there at the back. So yeah. And the weather's a lot better, because I know last year it started raining, so not a cloud in the sky. Doesn't look like it's gonna start raining anytime soon. I know there's Oki. He took my duck already, so yeah, staying away from him. That thing is a beast. But you know, Subarus with their 4-wheel drive systems, they are beasts. People are writing into the competitions here. Let's go take a look at that side, see if we can see any familiar faces. But yeah, it looks good so far. It's really good. Sorry about the bumpy situation. The floor is a bit uneven. But yeah, I think this is going to make some good footage. Get that ND filter on because it is quite bright. But yeah, all the oaks are out here today. So quite full, much fuller than it was last time. I think everyone didn't want to bring their cars out in the rain or anything like that. So yeah, okay, cool. Let's get a walk around and go get the camera.
In audio.